Here are some tips on how to stay disciplined with your money. Set financial goals. Have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve with your money. Write down your financial goals and make a plan on how to achieve them. Make a budget. Create a realistic budget that takes into account your income, expenses, and savings. Stick to your budget as closely as possible. Track your spending. Keep track of your spending to ensure that you are sticking to your budget. You can use an app or a spreadsheet to do this. Avoid impulse buying. Think twice before making a purchase. Ask yourself if it's a necessity or if it aligns with your financial goals. Pay yourself first. Make saving a priority by setting up automatic savings. Have a portion of your paycheck go directly into a savings account. Use cash. Using cash instead of credit cards can help you be more mindful of your spending. Set a cash limit for each week or month, and stick to it. Be accountable. Share your financial goals with someone who can hold you accountable, such as a friend or a financial advisor. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance and investing to make informed decisions about your money. Remember, staying disciplined with your money takes time and effort. But with patience and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure financial future.